Let's take a look at the latest release from Xiaomi, the Xiaomi Mix Flip 2 Diamond Limited Edition. Okay, let's wipe the box and take a look. Peeling off the film, you can see it's a square box. We'll slide it open from the sides. This time it has a 2-layer box, a 2-layer design. Let's first take a look. First, there is a message. Let's open this message. You can see the phone itself. This one is red. Let's peel off this film and take a look. You can see a very vibrant color with this crocodile leather texture, and then it's a leather material with a brand name in the middle. A Xiaomi brand name, which is quite distinctive. You can take a look. Then, as for the frame, we find this diamond which is embedded in the middle frame, and it looks very nice. This is Xiaomi's second generation small foldable. Let's take a look at its appearance.
Okay.
Let us continue looking below. The charger, 60 to 70,000. Then the phone case. Let's see how the phone case is. First, a cloth for wiping the screen. Open it. This is transparent. If it's transparent, you can see the color of the back cover once it's put on, which is really nice. Then we look at the second layer. As for the second layer, it contains 3 items inside. What is it? Let's take a look. It's a storage pouch, a lanyard, and a rotatable phone case. Let's first take a look at the phone case. What is this like? It comes with a red style. One is a lanyard. This is a rotatable phone case back cover. That's that is a back cover. Can hold a small mirror, so we can use it to check ourselves. This is the chain, and it has 2 types. The material should be steel beads. One is handheld, and the other is for hanging around the neck. Finally, these small pearls. And lastly, there's the storage pouch, a regular storage pouch with a very nice color.